this is called the Ultimate Date Night Game, and basically it's more of like a questions game. You ask each other questions. For example, like dare you do the best impression. I dare you to do the best impression of your partner. Keep this card if your partner is in your most recent Instagram searches, things like that. So it's just a pretty fun game here that you can play. I would say this is actually more for marriage. So my wife and I got it for us, and there were some things in here that were a lot for like marriage stuff. It could be for couples as well. You don't have to do everything that's on here, but I just think it's more for marriage. But again, it could be for couples as well. It's just really fun. It's a lot of mixed things in here. So you have all the cards in here. So basically, once you spin this little circle here, for example, you get dare, then you pick up the dare card. So they're all different color coded cards. And then whatever that dare card is, that's, you do that dare, and then you get a point if you do it. If you don't, then you don't get the point. But then again, it's just a fun couples game night thing that you can do, and get to know each other more. Just have fun, do something a little different.